today we will have English project, and the project is about reviewing a storybook in a foldable. Now I will show you how to make the foldable first. Ini saya akan tunjukkan membuat foldablenya dulu. Foldablenya sudah disediakan sekolah, sudah kamu dapat. First, fold into two, lipat menjadi dua bagian yang sama besar. Kemudian lipat lagi menjadi dua bagian yang sama. Lipat kembali menjadi dua bagian yang sama, into two parts. Okay, this is how it look. Now open it. Okay, so it's the foldable now. Now it's not finished yet, belum selesai. Now fold into two, lipatlah menjadi dua bagian. Then if you see the line here, ini menjadi acuan kamu memguntingnya. You see this? Okay. Gunting miring akan berbentuk segitiga. Sekitar 2 cm. Okay, now you fold this side, this one, fold it back, lipat kembali. Okay, tada, it looks like this now. Now, what do you have to write in the foldable? This is what you have to write in the foldable. Okay, first, write characters, and then fiction or non-fiction. Next, what's the story about or summary of the book? Next, lesson that I get from the storybook, or you can say moral lesson from the storybook. Next, in the middle here, okay, in the middle write the title of the book. Tulislah judul bukunya di tengah yang kita lubang tadi, buat guntingan lubang. Okay, now look inside. So, where do you have to write the characters? So, when this is the title, then you write the characters here. What are the characters? Is it a shy kid, a shy boy? Okay, and then here, the book, is it fiction or non-fiction? You write down in here. Okay, is it fiction? Just write down here. It's a fiction story, and so on. Okay, so you write behind it. Okay, let's see the back side. The back side, you write down your name, your class, and the project. English project, review a storybook. Okay kids, so that's the tutorial of making the foldable.